Hey folks, hope you're doing well, and today in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how we can easily download the Among Us game on your PC or laptop in 2025. So in order to begin, the first step is to open your desired browser. For this video tutorial, I'm going to be using the Brave browser. You can choose any of the browser that you have. If it's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, whatever you can choose, okay? So the first step is to open the browser, and now what you'll have to do is in the search bar, you can type in download, and I would say Epic Games, and search for it. Okay, so once you have this, you can see that download the Epic Game Launcher. You have to click on the first site, and now you can see this option where it says install on Windows. You have to click on install on Windows, and now you can click on save. This is the easiest step you can use to download the Among Us application or game. So I will wait for the game, the installer to be downloaded. Follow along with me so that you don't miss any steps and you can get the final installation without any errors. So let it be installed. Okay, so once the download is completed, you have to open the application and click on run, and the installer will open up. Let's just hold on for a second. It's doing everything in the background. Okay, once this is opened, you can see it asks for the install location. I'll just click on install, and now it will take some time. Let's just wait for it. So about this one. We will wait for the download to be completed. After the download of the Epic Games is done, things are very easy. In the meantime, if you don't have an Epic Games account, you can create an Epic Games account by going into the Epic Games Store, this site, and clicking and sign in. And now you can see create an account. If you already have an account, you can sign in with that account, or you can click on create a new account, or use Google, Steam, or any other accounts to sign in. I'll just click on create new account, and I'll just say yes. I'll just click on no here, and I will ask for date of birth and some information. After you fill in that, you will have the account ready. We will just wait for this to be done. In the meantime, I'll just say put in a date, December 7, 2004. Yeah. Okay, so it will ask for your email address, your first name, last name, and to create a password and a display name, which is used to just a unique name that you want to be displayed on your uh, Epic Store account. So you have to type in that one as well. Okay, it's being installed, and select your country or region. And now I'll just say I have read and agree. So I'll just tick this one, and I will leave this as it is, and then click on continue. So that's how we can easily create the account on the Epic Game Store. Okay, so it's taking too much long, so I will give you just a brief guidance. So after the install is completed, what you'll have to do is open the Epic Game Store and enter your login details that you just have created, and that will open up your account. So once that's done, you'll have a search bar in the application. Yes, Epic Games Launcher. You'll have to go into the search bar and type in Among Us. I'll just show you. Okay, let it this be completed. Okay. Okay, so yeah, once this is completed, you can just do the steps as I said. So it will ask, there will be a search bar on the top, so you'll have to click on it and type in Among Us, and you will have to make a little payment for that. So once that's done, you can easily download the game on your PC. From there, it's like simple. There won't be an errors or anything. You just have to click on download, and that will just download the game on your computer without any issue. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.